Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about home remedies for treating a child's fever. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and gather some supplies. And there's many different approaches to this, so I'm going to show you one of my favorites. Is a Chinese formula called Banlangan Chongqi that we can oftentimes find at the local Asian market or at your local acupuncture or herbalist. We can go ahead and get that, plus 1 cup of hot water, and of course a cup or a glass in order to dissolve it in. So once we've gathered together our Banlangan Chongqi, we can go ahead and empty it into the glass, add about a cup of hot water, dissolve it by stirring it, and go ahead and have the child drink that about once every 4 hours. They can do another packet of the Banlangan Chongqi. Of course, there are many different approaches to dealing with a child's fever. So we can use any number of other types of herbal supplements, such as an elderberry-based syrup, to other combinations that are effective in breaking the fever or breaking a sweat, which is oftentimes effective. There's lots of other supplements, such as vitamin C, that can be effective as well. One of the difficulties, of course, is getting a child to drink some of the more interesting tasting herbal decoctions. So one of the reasons I like the Banlangan Chongqi, even though I don't like sugar, it is in a sugar base, so kids are usually pretty good about taking it, despite the generally bad tasting herbs if we did it by themselves. So, of course, any illness, especially with a child, it's very important to be careful, monitor the fever closely, and make sure the child stays hydrated. If for any reason it goes above 103 fever, or the child has been sick for more than a few days, be sure to contact your local herbalist, acupuncture, or medical professional in order to get the most effective treatment. So most colds and flu are very easy to treat with herbs or other methodologies, and do it safely. Just go ahead and monitor well. So this is Bob Lindy in St. Petersburg, Florida. Please enjoy your herbs.